back with part 2. So we have started the cleaning process. Seats taken out, outside, funny spaces, but yeah, car's nice and dirty inside. Let's see, there's more spaces there. So we're gonna start cleaning, and then yeah, still can't take it in to get fixed up yet, so this will just have to do for now. So let's get to it. So that's not doing anything. This the previous owners already made a plan with, but it's not pulling. It's like it's stuck. It's epic. Managed to get the door open without breaking anything. So everything that I've seen to open this is either you drill a hole through there from the inside so that you can get to that screw over there, or you need to basically drill a hole in here to line up where that is so that the screw can come kind of fall off, but then you have to replace the door handle. So then I watched the video of how to remove this, and you can just literally pop it off, and when I did that, I looked in there and I could manage, I could unclip it. So now I can get that fixed, which is a good plus. This is cleaned up nicely. So yeah, now I just need to go through and clean everything else with a detail brush and some APC, and then we can start putting everything back together. The interior is pretty much back together. Besides this, I'm still waiting for, I found a cable and I found a cable, so I need to get those cables so I can replace those. We just gave these brackets just a quick touch up with some black spray paint. They were looking a little bit on the rusty side, some surface rust, so it's much better. And these as well, we just quickly gave those a touch up, but it looks 10 times better, 20, 30, 40 times better. It smells amazing. Doesn't really smell that bad anymore. Only thing we still need to do is I just need to clean the safety belts, because they are curling over and so on. So that needs to still be done. I still need to do this. With the back is nice and clean. Everything is clean. This is the one that I recovered yesterday, but I can see it's coming loose again there and here. So might just have to peel that up. It is still a little bit wet. Maybe that's why it's peeling up. But yeah, I'm loving how this little car is turning out. I'm not gonna do outside really now until I get new back bumper, new front bumper, and so on. This was obviously cleaned. Yeah, everything is just nice and clean for a change. Very happy. Okay, on to the next. Right, well, I thought while this radio isn't working, let me try and put this old radio that I had in my B5 in. See, the plugs are all the same, so technically it should just be a plug and play, but it just depends on how the wiring is done for this. So I'll quickly get it in and then we'll see. Okay, well, that was easy. What I want to check is, oh, nice. So I remember my B5, when I put it in reverse, the reverse camera on this came on, so luckily it doesn't do that. So I just want to quickly check if it actually works. I'll just connect my phone onto it and see if it works. Hey, epic. Works. Speakers are actually flipping good in this. Good quality. So now I'm not going to hard mount it yet. I need to get the little bullet that goes in at the back for the antenna. I think I've got some of those at home. Obviously just need to mount the cage it goes onto. I've got the little remote, which is cool. I just need to clean that off. And then I can't remember if there was a, I think the mic is in the front. Yeah, there's the microphone there, so I don't have to mount another microphone or anything, so that is good. Yeah, actually, so let me try and mount that, the little bullet at the back, and then I'm gonna mount it. Only thing is I can't find a trim piece for here, so unfortunately that is just how it's gonna look for now, which is not the end of the world, I guess, but I'm happy. Okay, finally hot mounted. Had a bit of issues with the cage. I think when I took it out of the B5 I damaged the cage a little bit, so yeah, just quickly had to bend that right. I had to put some double-sided tape on the top and the bottom of the cage because there's nowhere for the tabs to, when you bend it in, to keep the cage in place. But now it's pretty solid, so pretty happy with that. Can't really oh, it works. I don't even have the aerial plugged in. Yeah, can't keep playing that. Cool, that's great. Anyway, yeah, so that's sorted. And that is the interior. Well, no, not done and dusted, but everything was supposed to be done is pretty much done. Waiting for the cable for the outside door handle. I'm still trying to find an internal door handle for there, and then I still just need to cover this. So let's get on to that. Okay, all hooked up, ready to go. On the way to the mechanic. Grant's the pilot. Let's do this. Slipstream. But did you die?
Yes, that's fun.
You see we're at the right place. Okay, it's all hooked. Laat teruggeven. Ja. Je know it. And then I managed to get the corner piece like you saw now. Even got the indicator for free as well, which is cool because mine doesn't look so great. But yeah, this thing is perfect besides the scratches. Absolutely perfect, no damage or anything. And then I also got this little corner piece that will now, this sits like underneath here, under the door, like that. So mechanic is busy. He's going to start doing the clutch today, and he is going to do service because the service was done about a year ago, But I'll actually insert pictures here of these dodgy people. They charge for a service, they never replace the plugs, they never replace the air filter. So yeah, I'm gonna do a service, get it over and done with, so I then know the car's nice and fresh. But for now, that is it. I think in the next episode we'll get the car back, we'll start doing the wrapping, and finish up everything. Oh, I don't actually know if I mentioned that what the plans are for the car, but yeah, we are gonna wrap it. You'll see, you guys will see that in the next episode. Do the wrapping and do some color changes on the wheels and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for tuning in. Please could you like and subscribe? There's a lot of people watching the channel that are still not subscribed. If you guys wouldn't mind just hitting that for me, would like to grow the channel a bit. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.